Mason is somebody who I honestly almost want to be when I grow up, and I'm older than him.
One of the things that I admire most about Mason is his ability to work behind the scenes and activate our members and engage them, especially in government relations, and making sure that their voices are heard at any policy table that where things are being discussed that will impact our schools and our students and our community.
I was a Southeast Region president, and we had a vacancy for a rep position. And I tried calling him, and he ghosted me. And I tried texting him, and he ghosted me to see if he'd be interested in filling that vacant role on the board, because I knew that he was really active in advocacy work and just a phenomenal world language teacher, and very much active in supporting our LGBTQ youth. And so I knew that he had great leadership qualities and really wanted him to join our team. And Mason is one of the most humble people I've ever met. And that's why he didn't respond to me. He thought there was no way that he could possibly fill this role. And finally, I sent him another message a week later, and he called me back. And he said, I couldn't even call you back because I didn't believe that I belonged in this role and in this space.
He works really hard to stay out of the limelight sometimes. And I think that's probably what makes him most deserving of this award, because he would tell you that he doesn't think that he deserves this award. And I would argue that it's absolutely the opposite of that.
If you watch Mason in a classroom, that man loves his kids, and you can see it in every ounce of everything that he does on every single day. He's just phenomenal and will do anything it takes to make sure that those kids are prepared and ready to enter the real world.
He's also fighting every day to make sure that educators and people in general in our community are treated equally and with respect and are welcome in any arena that he is at.
To see the impact that he has within his classroom and how he wants to bring that to just a larger audience, and in a way that's very quiet and unassuming.
But the man just goes out and is constantly willing to do whatever needs to be done in order to protect public education in the state of Wyoming.